Hello students, welcome to Standard 9 subject Mathematics, Chapter 14 Statistics. This is lecture number 12. We have started in the last lecture, like in lecture number 11, the measures of central tendency. You know that the measures of central tendency is actually a certain representative of the given data. In that first number, the mean, the representative as central tendency, measures of central tendency mean, we have seen in the last lecture. In continuing here, the second representative of the data, that is measures of central tendency, we will see is median, denoted by capital M. Median. What is median? The median is that value of the given data which divides it into exactly two parts. The whole data is divided into two parts because of median. So you can understand the median is the middle position of the data, right? So when the data is arranged in ascending or descending, to get the middle of the data, you can understand that the data or all the observations must be arranged in either ascending order or descending order. Then only the exact middle you can get. So when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, so very well you understand in median concept that always remember, first of all you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Then only you can apply the formula and get the median. So when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order, the median of the ungrouped data is calculated as follows. First step is to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, and then how can we calculate? For that, the two situations here we have, when the number of observations n, that is called n, is odd, the formula of m, that is median, is n plus 1 by 2th observation. That will be the answer in ascending order arranged data. And when the number of observations n is even, suppose n is even, number of observations, total number of observations n is even, then this formula we have to use m equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. What does this means? This means the median m is the mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation of the data in case of n is even. If n is even, the median is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation's mean. Actually, it is this n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. It shows that it is the mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation, and it gives median in case of the number of observation n is even. So in both the situation, we will see the example and understand it. Example 12. The heights in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follows: 155, 166, 160, 145, 149, 150, 147, 152, 144, 148. These are given in centimeter. It is there in the question. Find the median of this data. We want to find out the median of this data. So as we have discussed here, first of all, median is the exactly middle of the data, and it divides the whole data in two equal parts. So we have to arrange it first in ascending or descending order. So we will use to arrange the data in ascending order always. So in solution, first of all, our first step will be arranging the data in ascending order. So all these 9 observations are arranged in ascending order. In ascending order, you know that the smallest value comes first, and then it's bigger, and the maximum value, the highest value, comes in the end. So here we arrange it. So in whole data, the minimum value is 144. We start with that. Then 145, then 147, 148, 149. Here it is 150, 152, 155, and 160. So this way all the 9 heights in centimeter are arranged in ascending order. Now, here the number of students n equals to 9, and 9 is an odd number. For odd number, n is odd, this formula we can apply. So m equals to n plus 1 by 2th observation. This formula will apply. Here in place of n, 9 we place. 9 plus 1 by 2th observation. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2 means with the 2 we can cancel this. So 2 5s are. So it is 5th observation. So in 5th observation we have to see in arranged data, ascending arranged data. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. 5th observation is 149. So this is 149 is our median. So the median height is 149 centimeter. This way we have to answer. The 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th observation is 149. This way. Now next example 13. The points scored by a kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows: 17 points, 2, 7, 77, 15, 5, 14, 8, 10, 24, 48, 10, 8, 7, 18 and 28. These are the points scored by the kabaddi team in matches. Find the median of the points scored by the team. You want to find out the median here again. So again we will start with the arranging the points scored in ascending order only. In ascending order, reach point 2 is first, and then 5, and then 7, 7 2 times, then 8, 8 2 times, then 10, 10 2 times, 14, then 15, then 17, 18, 24, 27, 28 and 48. This way all the points scored we have written again, but in ascending order which is required. So how many points scored actually, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 terms are there. 16 matches are there. 16 times the scores are there. We will verify that 16 times we have arranged or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All 16 scores we have written. Here, the number of observations or number of points scored, how many times scored is noted or points are noted here, n equals to 16 times. If 16 is even number, if 16 is even number, we will apply this formula, big formula, to get the median, and it is actually the n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observations mean. This big formula we will apply here because of n is even. So that formula is written here. M equals to median equals to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation whole upon 2. In this case n is 16, so 16 by 2th observation plus 16 by 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. 16 by 2 we can cancel by 2. 2 ones are, 2 8s are here. And here also 2 ones are, 2 8s are here. So what is means 8th observation plus 8 plus 1 9. 9th observation whole upon 2. Now see the 8th observation and 9th observation in the arranged data. So the data we have arranged in that 8th and 9th observations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation is this 9. 8th observation is this 10. And 9th observation is this 14. So 10 and 14 are 8th and 9th observations in ascending order. That we have to place here. 8th observation is on 8th number 10 plus 9th observation is on 9th number 14, that we have noted here, and upon 2. 10 plus 14, 24 upon 2. 24 upon 2, by 2 we can cancel this, it will give 12. So 12 is our answer here of median. Therefore the median point scored is 12 points. So this way both the examples of number of observations in odd and number of observations in even also we have verified with this formula, and this way we have to calculate the median in this situation. So remember, first of all, to find out the median we have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order, and we will usually use the ascending order. And then on the basis of the number of observation, if it is odd, we will apply this formula n plus 1 by 2th observation, and if it is even, we will apply this big formula that is the mean of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation, that we will apply and we can get our median. And what is the median? Is actually the middle value of the whole observation, and it divides the data in exactly 2 parts. That we have to understand. So you are suggested to write is all about median and understand it very well. In next coming exercise, it will be very useful to solve the exercise sums related to median. Thank you.